Have you ever imagined a world where your car drives itself, taking you anywhere you want, anytime you want, without a single human intervention? In recent years, the automotive industry has been buzzing with the promise of self-driving cars. Tesla, a name synonymous with electric vehicles, has been at the forefront of this revolution. Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla, has repeatedly hinted at the imminent arrival of a fully autonomous robotaxi. But when exactly can we expect this futuristic mode of transportation to become a reality? To answer this question, we'll dive deep into Tesla's progress, the challenges they face, and the potential impact of robotaxis on our society. Tesla's autopilot. Let's start by understanding Tesla's current level of autonomy. The company's autopilot system, already available in many of its models, allows for hands-free driving on highways under certain conditions. While impressive, it's not yet fully autonomous. The path to full autonomy. To achieve full autonomy, Tesla needs to overcome several hurdles. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the safety of passengers and pedestrians. The car must be able to accurately perceive its surroundings, make split-second decisions, and react appropriately to unexpected situations. Technological advancements. Tesla has been investing heavily in research and development to address these challenges. They're working on improving their sensors, computer vision algorithms, and artificial intelligence capabilities. Additionally, they're developing a vast network of high-precision maps to aid in navigation. Regulatory hurdles. Beyond technological advancements, regulatory approval is another crucial factor. Governments worldwide are grappling with the implications of self-driving cars and are developing guidelines and standards to ensure safety and public acceptance. The potential impact. If successful, robotaxis could revolutionize transportation. They could reduce traffic congestion, accidents, and emissions. They could also provide mobility for people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly and disabled. Challenges and concerns. However, the introduction of robotaxis also raises concerns. Job displacement for taxi drivers and other transportation workers is a potential consequence. Additionally, there are questions about cybersecurity and the potential for hacking self-driving vehicles. While Tesla has been optimistic about the timeline for robotaxis, it's difficult to predict an exact date. Factors such as technological advancements, regulatory approval, and market acceptance will play a significant role. As we eagerly await the arrival of Tesla's robotaxi, it's clear that the future of transportation is poised for a major transformation. Whether it happens in the near future or takes a bit longer, the journey towards self-driving cars is an exciting one to follow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes on the road, or maybe the road will start driving you.